Am I gonna be eliminated? You aren't even up for voting. Oh, shut up. It's time for elimination.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of these press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now, now. Always act a fool, ow, ow. Ain't nothing new now, now.
The votes are in. Here are your prizes. Hi guys, how are in this? I have always been here. I'm even in the intro. Watch.
Reluctantly, cause most of these press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now, now. Always act a fool, ow, ow. Ain't nothing new now, now.
Want a gent dumb dropped? Should we run? Are you guys just gonna stand here? Can you recover everything now? Let's do the challenge now. The challenge is to climb up this steep hill. Once you manage to get up there, you have to press the button located all the way at the top. Is this literally BFB 11? The last 8 people to finish is up for elimination. Oh. You guys are safe, except for you. They are pretty fast. Stop blocking our path. See? I got it. Are you guys serious? I guess Ketchup and Capsule isn't the only stupid one here. Holy vegetable, everyone. The button's right here. I am so hungry. I don't like patties.